Guys, welcome back to my channel. How are you guys doing? If you are new to my channel and you're seeing me for the first time, my name is Halima Sejafo. You're welcome to my channel. Before you leave, please subscribe to my channel. So guys, in today's video we are going to be doing this makeup. It's just I've done this, so I want to take you guys back of how I actually did the makeup. So we're going to start from the beginning now.
Missing someone. Missing someone.
something like this. I'm not the whatever, like the shining eyeshadow, the loud eyeshadow type, but I just want to teach you guys how I actually achieve this eyeshadow. So guys, that's the end of today's video. I know you already know how I achieved this video, you already know how I achieved this makeup. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in my other video. Love you guys, bye. And before I go, please, if you are new to my channel, help a baby girl, please subscribe to my channel. It won't take anything. If you are watching this video for the first time, or you are seeing me for the first time, please subscribe, please. Now I beg. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. So see you guys later, bye.